Welcome to Market Peeker. Today, we're simplifying a big question. How do cryptocurrencies work? If you're new to crypto, this is the perfect place to start. Let's break it down. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that exist only online. They work on a technology called blockchain, a decentralized system that records all transactions. Think of blockchain as a shared digital ledger that's visible to everyone but controlled by no one. Here's how it works. When you send or receive crypto, the transaction is verified by a network of computers called nodes. These nodes solve complex problems to confirm the transaction, a process called mining. For certain cryptocurrencies, once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain. Unlike traditional currencies, crypto doesn't rely on banks or governments. It's secure, fast, and global. You can use it to buy goods, invest, or transfer money anywhere in the world without middlemen. But remember, cryptocurrency values can be highly volatile, so it's important to understand the risks before diving in. Let us know in the comments if you've ever used or invested in cryptocurrency.